In this second video, we will explore how social innovation happens, the processes and the tools that bring it to life. The process usually begins with problem identification. Unlike conventional approaches that focus on technical feasibility, social innovation starts by asking, what is the real need? What are the root causes? Who is affected? What has been tried before and why did it fail? Take the issue of youth unemployment. A purely technological solution might create a job matching app. But social innovation digs deeper. Why are young people excluded? Is it a lack of skills, weak networks, or regional inequality? By addressing root causes, solutions become more meaningful. The next step is co-creation with stakeholders. This is where the quadruple helix model comes into play. Universities, industry, government, and civil society collaborate. For example, in Finland, the Helsinki Design Lab brought together policymakers, designers, and citizens to co-create new approaches to housing and education. The outcome was not just reports, but practical policies rooted in lived experience. By involving diverse voices early on, we ensure that solutions are relevant and widely accepted. Then comes prototyping and testing. Instead of spending years designing the perfect solution, social innovators test ideas quickly in real-world conditions. Design thinking is a common tool here. It involves empathizing with users, brainstorming ideas, building prototypes, and refining them through feedback. A good example is Copenhagen's Cycling Embassy of Denmark. Planners worked directly with citizens to design cycle-friendly infrastructure. They tested bike lanes, shared feedback, and adjusted designs, creating one of the world's most successful urban cycling systems. The next stage is scaling and diffusion. This does not always mean growing bigger. It can mean replication in other contexts, adaptation to new groups, or influencing policies. The concept of social cooperatives, which integrates people with disabilities into work, started locally but spread across Europe, influencing EU employment policies. A final yet vital element is systems thinking. Social issues are interconnected. Tackling homelessness, for example, is not just about housing. It involves healthcare, employment, education, and social services. Social innovation looks across these systems, creating solutions that cut through silos.
Social problems are linked, and so must be the solutions. Social innovation is not a single invention, but a process. It is collaborative, experimental, and adaptive. It combines creative tools with active participation to design solutions that are socially meaningful and sustainable. Can you think of or find an example in your field or in your country?